Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Landers SuperStore has always been trusted destination to stock up on everything we need for an exciting getaway. With Christmas just around the corner, the festive spirit is in full swing, and the search for the perfect holiday gifts, decorations, and essentials is officially on. Landers SuperStore promises to make this festive season even more spectacular with the ultimate holiday shopping treat, Super Crazy Sale. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. The Super Crazy Sale will be the perfect opportunity for members to cross off items on their Christmas wish lists while enjoying unbeatable prices both in-store and online at www.landers.ph. With over 5,000 unique items up for grabs, new Piso sale items to collect, and an exciting lineup of promos on dining and membership, it's gearing up to be Landers SuperStore's biggest event of the year. This Super Crazy Sale will offer the widest selection of 50% OFF and buy one get one deals across all categories, ensuring holiday cheers and savings all around. From everyday essentials such as fresh produce, meat, cooking ingredients, cleaning supplies, and personal care products to the season's best offers, including special gift sets, wines and spirits, decors, and Noche Buena must-haves. Members can expect lots of unique finds and irresistible bargains that can help in bringing their dream Christmas celebration to life. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Super Crazy Sale wouldn't be complete without the star of the show, the Piso sale. Every day throughout the sale, Landers will bring out premium products that members can purchase for just P1, adding a touch of thrill to their Christmas shopping. Making the Super Crazy Sale even more rewarding is the Shop and Win raffle. Members who spend P4,000 or more during the sale period will qualify for a chance to win a brand new Porsche 911 Carrera S and other incredible prizes. With every purchase, they also increase their chances of making their Christmas wishes come true. Please do watch our other supermarket vlog series. More reason to join Landers Cashback Everywhere card. For those who have yet to join Landers SuperStore, there's no better time than now. Landers SuperStore, in partnership with Maya, has officially launched the Landers Cashback Everywhere card, a membership and credit card in one that offers cashback rewards of 5% for purchases made at Landers, 2% on dining, and 1% everywhere else. At only P500 sign-up fee, members can enjoy both full access to Landers perks and bonus savings throughout the holiday season and beyond. For those who prefer the regular membership, they may avail the Landers Premium Membership Card for P700 or the Landers Business Membership Card for P10. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.